shaky space of the game. She's Ruby Rose Abalos. And she gets that free GC from Shaky. She's 22 years old from Valenzuela City. Congratulations, Ruby Rose Abalos from Valenzuela for being our Shaky's face of the game. Ayan, 22 years old. Merong gift certificate at that is valid in every Shaky's outlet. Alam mo, maganda to kung ano yung name mo, Ruby Rose Remulla.
Puro R.
Tatlong R.
R. Shaky, so she can, with those gift certificates, she can buy some merienda.
For the entire barkada. Ito na, lumamang na ang Army at napatawag ng timeout si Coach Parley Tupaz. Let's listen in. Again, the Shakey's Open Conference Volleyball Invasion. For every 500 peso food purchase at any Shakey's branch here in Metro Manila or in Makati, you get a free ticket to watch here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium the finals of the Open Conference. So, lahat po ng ating Shakey's outlets and dito sa Metro Manila and Makati, when you consume 500 worth of your orders, meron pong kasamang libreng ticket yan to watch the final. So go to the nearest Shakey's branch near you and get your free tickets to the finals of the Open Conference.
I was actually just dining at Shakey's last night. Eating my favorite Angus Steakhouse pizza. Have you tried that? It's really yummy.
Wow. Parang
and in
nagsolo ka kahapon at hindi ka nagyaya.
Nag-share ako with my teammates. And in the office, we often order that actually. We ordered that in. Hinihintay ko pa nga na magpapadeliver ka ngayon.
Tingnan dito naman tayo, nagpapadeliver ako Di ba kinakain natin dito? Oh! Joan Bunag was surprised. So she was there, nakabang na sa bola pero binitawan niya I don't know why.
Look at this.
Ayun, nandun na siya
She jumped pero it hit the tape of the net. Actually, the ball hit the tape of the net.
So akala niya, over talaga. Na hindi niya maabot,
But they're all just smiling.
Oh, Tajima with a service error. And that was her strong suit in the first set. Remember, yung mga service aces ni Tajima. Down by, or up by 6, I should say, itong Philippine Army. Bunag, top spin serve. Tejada in the middle. That was a good play. Excellent play.
It's also good, no? Tejada making her presence felt inside the court.
Back set. Mayet. Oh, what a save from Jem. Binalik sa Army. Umikot si Mayet. Lazaro was there. Z off the block. Wow, that point started off with that good save from Jem Ferrer. Stretching out to get the dig. Kept alive by Valdez. Oy, tingnan natin, umangat ba? That's outside.
Oh, a touch was called.
What?
By our official.
What happened there? Because lahat sila nakakumpul doon and I thought they were signaling that it was on its way out, but somehow first referee Adrian Tabanyag saw it touch Mayet. Tama ba?
Yun yung tawag. Well, let's see kung paano rin makakabawi ang Philippine Army.
Wow, this is dangerous for them. Mukhang pinadikit nila itong Ateneo. Yes, Tejada touches the net.
Very clear.
All right, lead up. We're back to 4 points.
For the Philippine Army, I think what's happening here is that they're always keeping a window open here for the Lady Eagles. Ano? Palaging nagkaka-like that, just like that. Maluwag yung depensa. They earn a point, and then afterwards, they allow Ateneo to get closer.
Wow, Alisa Valdez really with a tough angle. Lihis na lihis. Good defense by Lazaro. A bit low for Alisa. Doon talaga padadaanin ni Rachel yun.
And this is what we were talking about earlier, no? If you have two blockers there, one is the setter, you know the setter is shorter, pinapadaan doon
mo padadaanin. And Coach Parley calls his final timeout. Let's listen.
Maramingin mo si Quick dito si Jem, kapit mo si dito si March, maraming mo dito si Baldo para hindi abangan. Ha? Jem, gusto mo na Jem? Ha? Para Dong, sabahan ka doon ha. Pasok na, rani ka. Sige mo ha.
You've got the play drawn up by Coach Parley Tupas. Very manageable. 4 points lang yan. And, we've seen it happen before. So, hindi pa ho tapos itong second set. And you started off with a good reception. But the block was there for the Philippine Army. They go back to Rachel. This time gets blocked by Tejada and Ferrer.
That one on its way out.
Smart setting by Tina Salak. Alam niya na yung player niya ang may advantage, yung spiker niya ang may advantage sa block dito sa outside set. So, she kept on going to Rachel. Mayet with a short serve.
Salak. And that is experience for us all. Pinatama lang talaga sa kamay ng blocker.
Sabi siya, pag joust yung usapan, alam na alam ni Tina gagawin niya dyan. 25-19, the Philippine Army nakatabla, 1 set apiece.
Let's take a look at her shakies. Shake and play. Look at this off-speed shot. Taken by Dakis. Set up to Salak. Salak making sure she gets enough angle to get the ball out.
Alright, so we are tied at 1 set apiece. We will be back for an exciting third when we come back.